Over the lifetime of a facility, energy usage patterns may change. A wing may be added or removed from a building, or a special event may lead to atypical usage during a given month. In order to report savings accurately, such factors must be taken into consideration. Modifications allow you to adjust your baseline to reflect facility changes or special events that would otherwise affect your cost avoidance. To add a modification, right-click your meter and select New Modification. A modification child item appears under the meter. In the Modification Setup tab, we can name our modification, set the effective dates, which determine the start and end of the modification, and adjust additional settings, such as whether to include utility cost, account for leap years, or show the modification in the tuning contract report. We can also set the specification option for the modification, which determines how it will be applied. In the Modification History tab, we see the modification register. Different time periods are available for our modification. Note that changing the time period will reset the modification register, so select this first before entering data. Offsets can be entered either as a percentage or a flat value. If your meter includes demand, demand columns will appear as well. Offset values may be manually entered into the register or copy and pasted from a spreadsheet. Positive values denote increases, while negative values denote decreases. Offsets entered into the History tab will be auto-repeated through the register. Option C's default is to auto-repeat the last 365 days of offsets or the first 12 or more rows through a set time period. The auto-repetition can be overwritten by clicking the checkbox in the Manual column and entering a custom value. Measures function in much the same way, as we'll see in our next video.